Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create a personal mood board in Notion, your 2025 guide. The first step is to create a new page in Notion. We do this because it's like our blank canvas. It's where we'll build our mood board. Now that we've done that, the next step is to choose the board layout from the templates. This layout is perfect for mood boards because it gives us columns and cards, which are perfect for creating visual themes. Once we've set up our board layout, we start adding content. Click on the plus button to add a new card to your board. The reason we do this is to start giving our mood board its unique personality. Each card can contain images, text, links, or even files, making it super versatile. Next up, we organize our cards into columns. You might want to group them by colors, themes, or ideas. This helps us because it makes our mood board more clear and visually appealing. Now that our cards are organized, we can customize our board. This is where you can add your personal touch. Change the background color, add cover images, or use different emoji for each column. Doing this will truly make your mood board your own. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. We're using Notion's flexible features to create a visual representation of our mood or theme. It's like creating a collage, but in a digital and organized way. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've created a personal mood board in Notion. Remember, the key is to make it as personal and as visually appealing as possible. We hope you enjoyed this quick guide. Stay creative and see you in the next video.